Introduction to Heart-Healthy Recipes. Welcome to our video on heart-healthy recipes for weight management. If you're looking to improve your heart health and shed a few pounds, you've come to the right place. In this article, we will explore how a healthy diet can significantly impact your cardiovascular well-being and provide you with a sample meal plan filled with delicious and nutritious recipes that are perfect for managing your weight. Whether you're new to the world of heart-healthy eating or simply seeking some inspiration, we have got you covered. So let's dive in and discover the power of food in supporting a healthy heart. How a healthy diet can improve heart health. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in improving heart health. By making smart food choices, you can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases and maintain a healthy weight. So, what exactly does a heart-healthy diet entail? It's important to incorporate plenty of fruits and vegetables into your meals. These nutrient-dense foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote heart health. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Next, opt for whole grains instead of refined grains. Whole grain products such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa are rich in fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure. Include lean sources of protein like fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, skinless poultry, legumes, nuts, and seeds in your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and lowering triglyceride levels. Limit saturated fats found in red meat and full-fat dairy products, as they can raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Instead, choose healthier fats like those found in avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Lastly, mindful eating is key. Paying attention to portion sizes will prevent overeating, which can lead to weight gain. Therefore, it is important to listen to your body's hunger cues. Incorporating these dietary changes into your lifestyle can significantly improve heart health. Making small adjustments gradually will make it easier for long-term adherence. So, start taking steps towards a healthier heart today. Sample meal plan for a week of heart-healthy eating. Eating a heart-healthy diet doesn't have to be bland or boring. In fact, there are countless delicious and nutritious options that can help improve your cardiovascular health while still satisfying your taste buds. Here's a sample meal plan for a week of heart-healthy eating. Breakfast. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and chopped nuts. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels, while berries provide antioxidants and nuts supply healthy fats. Lunch. For lunch, enjoy a colorful salad loaded with leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, avocado chunks, and grilled chicken breast. Drizzle it with olive oil and balsamic vinegar dressing for an extra dose of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Snack. In the afternoon, snack on sliced apples dipped in almond butter. Apples contain pectin fiber that helps regulate blood sugar levels, while almond butter provides protein and essential vitamins. Dinner. For dinner, try baked salmon seasoned with herbs like dill or rosemary alongside roasted vegetables such as broccoli and carrots drizzled in olive oil. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids that support cardiovascular health. Dessert. Indulge your sweet tooth guilt-free by enjoying some dark chocolate squares sprinkled with crushed almonds. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that promote heart health, while almonds offer additional healthy fats. Remember to stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water or herbal tea instead of sugary beverages. And don't forget to listen to your body's hunger cues. Eat when you're hungry but stop when you're full. By following this sample meal plan filled with nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, you can nourish your body while supporting optimal heart function. Breaking the monotony is key, so feel free to experiment with different recipes and flavors. Keep in mind that this tips for maintaining a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial not only for overall well-being but also for heart health. Here are some practical tips to help you achieve and sustain a healthy weight. 1. Portion control. Be mindful of your portion sizes, as consuming larger portions can lead to overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help manage portion sizes. 2. Eat balanced meals. Focus on including a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients while keeping you feeling satisfied. 3. Limit processed foods. Processed snacks and sugary beverages can contribute to weight gain and negatively impact heart health. Opt for whole foods instead: fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, which are lower in calories and higher in nutrients. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps maintain proper hydration levels and may aid in managing cravings or excessive snacking. 5. Practice mindful eating. Slow down during meals and pay attention to hunger cues before reaching for seconds or snacks out of habit or boredom. 6. Get moving. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine by finding activities you enjoy: walking, dancing, swimming, whatever gets your heart rate up. 7. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep patterns have been linked to an increased risk of weight gain over time. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Remember that maintaining a healthy weight is about adopting sustainable habits rather than resorting to quick-fix solutions. Delicious and nutritious heart-healthy recipes. Incorporating heart-healthy recipes into your diet is a delicious and nutritious way to support cardiovascular health while managing your weight. By focusing on nutrient-rich ingredients and cooking methods that promote heart health, you can take control of your overall well-being. Remember to incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as oily fish, flax seeds, and walnuts into your meals. These powerful nutrients have been shown to provide cardiovascular support by reducing inflammation, improving blood vessel function, and lowering cholesterol levels. Try out some of these heart-healthy recipes for weight management. 1. Baked salmon with lemon dill sauce. This flavorful dish combines the omega-3 goodness of salmon with a tangy lemon dill sauce for a light yet satisfying meal. 2. Quinoa salad with chickpeas and avocado. Packed with protein from quinoa and fiber from chickpeas, this refreshing salad is an excellent choice for a balanced lunch or dinner option. 3. Vegetable stir-fry. Load up on colorful veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas in this quick and easy stir-fry recipe. Swap out heavy sauces for lighter alternatives like low-sodium soy sauce or ginger garlic dressing. 4. Greek yogurt parfait. Indulge in a sweet treat without compromising on nutrition. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, nuts, seeds, granola or honey for a satisfying dessert or breakfast option. 5. Spinach stuffed chicken breast. Amp up the flavor by filling chicken breasts with vitamin-packed spinach leaves before baking them to perfection. These are just a few examples of the many delicious heart-healthy recipes available out there. Remember to be creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different flavors, herbs, spices combinations while keeping an eye on portion sizes to maintain healthy weight management goals. By adopting these heart-healthy recipes along with regular exercise and other lifestyle changes recommended by healthcare professionals, you can take positive steps towards improving your heart health while managing your weight.